My name's Owen Kaluza. I work at ACCESS-NRI at the Australian National University. My role is a visualization specialist research software engineer. So I work on producing visualizations and helping researchers by writing software to aid them in producing their own visualizations of climate data. Essentially, visualization is turning data into images. Researchers need to visualize their data themselves just to analyze it, and that's something that they're doing all the time to communicate it, to enable people to understand it. I mean, as I say, a picture tells 1,000 words. The human brain can gain so much more information from an image in a very short period of time than raw data. I mean, and this raw data is so big that you couldn't comprehend it just by looking at it, so you have to use visualization. People are actually very used to looking at visualizations of climate data because it's one of the fields of science that is actually regularly communicated to the public in the form of weather reports. So when you see the news, you're usually going to look at a region of the country and you'll be looking at a satellite image. But if you want to talk about a weather forecast, they don't have satellite images yet. That's where you usually have to take data and you produce a visualization that looks like the satellite imagery by rendering that cloud out. Because of the size of the data we're using, and that data itself is produced on supercomputers, in a reasonable amount of time you couldn't use a desktop computer to visualize that data. It's an iterative process. You have to keep gradually getting what you want out of it. So if you're not getting a quick turnaround on turning the data into images, if it takes a day just to render an image, it's going to be a very painful process. That's why we tend to do visualization on using supercomputers as well. Similar to Pawsey, at NCI we have the Australian Research Environment and process it on supercomputing resources. So it's much faster than doing it on your desktop. AI is definitely going to have a big impact. If we can get AI models to be able to produce visualizations from models effectively, which requires training those models to do that will be huge.